Hey, what's up? This is JHON-JHON and welcome to my kitchen. I will be making 3 traditional Filipino main dishes: Sinigang Beef, Pancit Bihon chicken and shrimp, and chicken adobo. Alright, you guys ready? Here we go. Carlos, lower the volume! We're filming! What? Shut up! Are you done moving? We're done. Stop moving. This is like how the majority of Filipino foods get started. Garlic, onions, and tomatoes. Oh my god! I'm just joking. I'm gonna start off my pancit. Alright, now what I do, I transfer the meat on the other side over here. You don't want to cross-contamination, okay? I put some tamarind soup mix so that the meat starts absorbing the flavor right away. Alright, so now I'm actually going to be jumping to adobo. I like to use dark meat when I cook adobo, or I could use the whole chicken. I'm going to put some garlic, a lot of fresh garlic, and I'm going to add a lot of onions. Go ahead and cook the eggplant. Masarap is a Filipino word for saying delicious. Can everyone say masarap? This guy right here, this is, I don't know what kind of pepper this is called, but I always see my dad put it in there and it's freaking delicious. He put it in all the way in there. But let me go ahead and chop this up right here. This is Bok Choy. Test the rice. If the rice is fully cooked. Yeah, look, it is. This is boiling, it smells delicious. I like to add some pepper, and I like to add some Sazon. It smells so freaking good. That's what I tripped. I saw this at a cooking show where they roll the limes and lemon. Sinigang is almost done. So now let me focus more on pancit. Noodle I like to put in, this is called Pancit Canton noodles. Nice and sour. Chicken thighs. We use the garlic. The garlic here. I like to put some liquid seasoning. Alright, what I'm going to do now is add the spinach and the cilantro. Put a little secret in here. It's called sugar. Now put the chicken broth in here. Put this pancit. It's fish sauce with calamansi. Now I'm gonna cut the green beans. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna check onto my adobo. Now I'm gonna add celery and the green onions. Cabbage and carrots. I am splitting the shrimp in half. Shrimp, I'm gonna add the shrimp in here too. Dried garlic. try first. One set. Before it gets cold. Passing my fork, young man. Awesome. So let's go ahead and now try my adobo. Nice and tender. Actually, in the Philippines, we don't use spoon and forks. When we eat adobo, it's called kamay. We use our hands. Our sinigang here that we have, the beef sinigang. I'm gonna try it with, delicious. Subscribe, like, share. Take care. Maraming salamat kayo lahat. Thank you. Bye.